The Lippert Odyssey portable grill is a lightweight, portable, battery-operated charcoal grill that is perfect for any occasion. Your grill comes with a grill plate, gripping tongs, a stainless steel barbecue grate, a charcoal container cover, a bonus carrying case with cooler, the ignition plate, a perforated stainless steel charcoal container, the outer bowl housing, a stainless steel basin. When using your Odyssey portable grill for the first time, the charcoal drum may have a thin coating of oil on the surface as a result of the manufacturing process. This may cause the grill to smoke for the first few minutes as the grill becomes hot. Allow the grill a 3 to 5 minute burn-off period to remove any oil from the drum. Located underneath the outer bowl housing, remove the battery box cover and install 4 AA batteries in the battery box. Instead of batteries, there is a micro USB port located underneath the on-off fan switch that can be used with a power source to operate the grill. To use, fill the charcoal container with the desired amount of charcoal. Apply 2 to 3 ounces of safety starter alcohol gel on the center of the ignition plate in a circular shape. Insert the ignition plate into the stainless steel basin. Now, turn the fan control knob clockwise to its maximum on position. Light the safety starter alcohol gel with an appropriate long stem trigger lighter. Place the charcoal container over the ignition plate. Next, place the barbecue grate with the charcoal container cover attached on top of the grill and lock into position using the 2 locking latches on either side of the outer bowl housing. As an option, instead of using the barbecue grate and charcoal container cover, the grill plate and gripping tongs can be used in its place for smaller, more delicate foods. You can adjust the temperature up or down after the initial 3 to 4 minute start period by turning the on-off fan control knob clockwise for higher heat and counterclockwise for lower heat. Now enjoy your favorite grilled meal with friends. For any troubleshooting questions, contact Lippert Customer Service at 432-LIPPERT, 432-547-7378, or support at support.lci1.com. or email to customer service at lci1.com. Be sure to download the Lippert Now app. Thanks for watching.